For a while now, I've not done any video about me showing you light setup or how I shoot my images. So she will be the one working with us all through this period of time. We are going to be doing 3 light setup for headshots. 3 light setup for headshots. It might be different colors of background, but we are starting with white background because to some of you, white background is more difficult to shoot with. I'm using a parabolic umbrella 180 cm parabolic umbrella, and I'm using one light here that is not visible in the camera with a beauty dish. What this light will do for me is it will be at its lowest power just to add little feel to the bone of the cheek. You understand? Then we have our air light here that will be bouncing light on the heart. Then we have our main light here that will be bouncing on this bounce card just to do fill up at this other end. So we don't have to go through the process of trying to put another light here and here or pull light from up facing. I'm using this light setup and I'll be showing you the results from the shoot at once. I will not be showing you later. So right here, I want to introduce our model. She's not the type that normally come out for things like this. So permit me to give her the mic so she can introduce herself. What's your name?
Ambulance.
I didn't hear you.
Ambulance.
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 Ambulance. What's your Instagram handle?
Peony girl.
Huh?
Peony_girl.
If me, I know the hear her, you feel say now you want hear piano girl.
Peony. It's for PEONY_GIRRL.
Okay. We are still going to add it to the video so that you will not go and spell somebody's name and start telling me now different girl now you go see. Understand? Yo, she said she don't forget. My God. So we have 8600 there, 8600 there, 8200 here, but every single settings I'm going to be telling you so that we be on the safe side. So face side, your face side. Mm-hmm. No, turn back, turn. Okay. Let's start like this. But the pose is not, it's not going to be more of that kind of girlish pose. Just
I'll do whatever you tell me.
do all those, what they call those tomboy girls, their pose. Don't push the cap backward. Bring it forward a little. Uh-huh. So, we're going to do a test shot. And, bring my camera. Whatever result is given is what you take. For now, the spotlight is on R. Forget about us. All right? Okay. So I'm using a tethering cord and I'm shooting to my laptop direct. You understand? To my laptop direct, then every other thing will leave on for God hand.
So what's the
I'm coming. So let's create a folder with view. Let's just save it like that, then make it our default folder. Then this leg, is it possible for you to remove it from the stuff so that you don't know to do for the share?
You guys, if I remove it should be like
You don't tear my background finish like this.
should I do
Just put one leg on the.
so I don't
No, let's see first. Let's see so that we know how we set our light. And basically, we are not shooting with makeup. We're not shooting with makeup, so as you can see, the image is just coming out exactly how I want. But the side light that I'm using the beauty dish for is not on right now. So let's put it on and keep it at 32 and see. I like the seriousness in the face already. As you can see, it's giving us the exact amount of brightness I will need for this image. So you can just turn your head a little. Keep your hand the way you kept it before.
like this.
Then turn the head a little this way. Yeah, stay like that. So I'm going to take another test shot. Stay like that. Oh. Then this is what we get. So let me tell you my camera settings before we continue. My ISO is at ISO 100, aperture at f8.0. Shutter speed 1/160. So I'm going to take the shot very close because I want this kind of beauty portrait look. She won't look. Yes, this is exactly how I want it. But I don't always like it when my model is stressing her face. So you just keep your face calm. No part of your face should be stressed. Now, should I just talk? No. Jesus, give me a reflector. Give me that reflector. Now, the reflector might not be doing much right now, but no matter how small it is, no matter how small it is, it's very important. Yes. Yeah. Face forward. Yeah. Yeah. This is beautiful. Forget about that. Look at, this is what we are trying to get, and we are getting it. I don't want the image to be brighter than this. I don't want it to be darker than this. Without even doing skin mashing or whatever, you notice that the skin is coming out tarnished. Tarnished skin. Give me that shine. The spray. Oh, now you get. Now you get. Sorry. Oh, me don't tire. Use your hand and do that middle. So that they will not say it's domestic violence. Remove the necklace. So with what you're seeing now, I'll tell you, you don't need too much of the light to get a good image. So for my main light, just because I want to shoot at ISO 100, my main light is at 1/2. My hair light is at 1/8. That is 8200. Then my side light is at 1/3200. You get the idea. So we have something nice. So we just shoot more images. I'll just allow her just do her thing. But basically, you should know that we are doing more of the head thing. TB. Your mom still want to say only head of fish for me 48,000. You don't see that fish?
Only the head, come on.
Your mom see. The fish is big. So I'm letting you just do a freestyle of. The light setup, you already got a very good light setup. So you just do a freestyle. The main idea of this picture is to show you how these pictures will look without makeup, then after retouching. So you don't go tell anybody saying that because say they don't retouch and I make the picture don't come light, don't balance. No, you can brighten and balance your image before. You can hold it. You can balance it before anything. So you are good to go. It's not going to come what? It can remove people. No, it's not going to cover your face too much. Yeah. It's nice. Bend the head where you bend on it. Yes. No, look the other one. Look this one. Before you'll be looking at this one. But the bending of hair here, I think is better.
My eyes are closed, come on.
No, I'm talking about the bending of hair.
So you lean my head.
You lean, okay. Okay.
So I should
Do that, yeah. Then don't push your body backward. Then bring the hand forward. No. Where is my right hand? Sorry, I forget where my right hand is. Me, I feel saying me and the same right hand we use. So use this hand and just, but no smiling. Yeah. So you can keep your hand like that and look side, this way. Sit this way. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. So just to prove to you that this setup is balanced, I'm going to shoot away from just that half part of the body. I'm going to shoot towards our waist. So we'll get the whole idea of how the lighting is generally. So I'm going to do a selection. After that one, I'll do a selection and still forward to you. Okay, so. So you can see that from the face to the hand, the same brightness, just one light, one model. Our hair light is giving a very good view from the hair side. You get the idea. So these images are images that can be sold. Thank you. That pose just now. That pose just now entered. Yes. When I say give me a serious face, this is what I mean. Don't give me another thing. So let's brighten our side light a little. Let's keep it at 16 and see. That one now increase. So yeah, you are doing well. Oh, I'm going. Oh! 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 You will not understand. So I'm trying as much as possible to usher. Damn. 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 It's not also. It's also trying as much as possible to make sure the sweet. For the fact that people have not seen you in this kind of mood in picture, now the reason why it goes sweet to post.
Anyways, allowing myself to get that, people don't even smile on the room.
So look at the one that this girl if you smile like that, she's always a bone face. Okay. I just like what the production is giving. Thank you. Now you can turn side a little. Yeah. Then look that way. Bring your neck down a little. Neck. Down. No! You did vex. Now look this way. Just turn only your face. Yes. Bend your neck down. Okay. So this is how this light setup would work. Like I said, forget about my face. I would have turned on the house light so you see my face, but I don't want you to be seeing my face because that's not the main idea of the shoot. So watch the next episode, how we continue with another method of lighting with just these 3 lights again.